I just finished this vintage Reuge double singing bird cage. This was crafted in the early 1970s. It is a more rare model. It has a heavy relief cherub, bird, and garden design on the bottom. Red bird on the top, yellow bird on the bottom. I fully serviced the mechanism so it works exactly as it should. Shift the lever all the way to the right and it starts playing. Animates flawlessly. I'm going to shift to the pause function, which is the middle setting. So all of the singing bird cages have a pause feature, except for some of the really cheap West German ones, and those birds' heads don't rotate either. And you want to make sure the pause feature works, because that indicates that the mechanism and bellows are functioning properly. Wait for one more pause. Nice long pause. What the pause function does, it allows your singing bird cage to play for a lot longer on one wind. Let's go back to continuous. So the birds open and close their beaks and flap their tails synchronized to the bird song. They also rotate their heads, and their entire body rotates. And then I'm going to turn it off by sliding it to the left. So in summary, a vintage 1970s Reuge double singing bird cage in the rare, bass heavy relief cherub bird, sort of like garden vine design. Desirable piece. Outstanding condition overall. Take care.